Welcome to XyPractica, Experiment 9, the Carbohydrate Test. First, place a test tube stand on the table and put a green test tube in the stand. Prepare your food sample. Here, a sample has been mashed to extract any carbohydrates. Carefully transfer the liquid from the food sample into the test tube. Approximately 2 milliliters of Benedict solution, which is the indicator for this test. Gently mix the solution to ensure the sample and Benedict solution are thoroughly combined. To begin the reaction, place the test tube into a hot water bath and allow it to heat for 2 to 3 minutes. After heating, observe the result. The solution has changed from blue to yellow. This color change indicates the presence of reducing sugars.
Thank you for watching.